There were messages after messages. People from diplomats to friends from the industry to family friends, officers all want to know.
I have never felt, all I can say is I've never felt so loved. I have never felt so appreciated because everyone is, even people who compete a lot with you. After a point, Geeta, after a point they realize like, okay, now we have to send a congratulatory message. This is that moment.
Yeah, this is that moment. We were acknowledged for this big scoop. It's a coup. It's not just a scoop. It's a coup. We know, and I know what our other colleagues would be feeling, Anjana, because we've been there. Yeah. When you miss an interview and it doesn't come to you, it is heartbreaking. But for now, let's just enjoy.
Well said, Geeta. I would like to reiterate what you just said. We stand by all our friends who are feeling a little heartbroken right now. We've gone through those moments. We all do as journalists. But then there are days. There are days, and also it took a lot of following up. Absolutely. It took a lot of pursuing this interview for years. We also have to give credit to the network because we've been told that we were chosen after a very deep analysis on how and which channel to give this interview to, whether it's viewership, whether it's credibility, whatever. In-depth research is what they said. With absolute clarity, they analyze which is that channel which is most credible and watched in India.
Who pursued the interview the most also.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we have all that.
Mohan is a clear winner there.
India Today Network and Aaj Tak, clear winners. Very interesting. You have to watch the interview because this puts foreign policy in place for Russia and how Russia views the world, debunking all media propaganda, all those who say Putin wants to do this, Putin wants to do that, Putin wants to reintegrate the Soviet Union, Putin wants to be a part of the G8 because you talked about disintegration.
Yeah, I did. I even said that
let's not give it away.
I just said this, that they even say that you want to rebuild the whole empire and become the Lord, God and King of